Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. To create a replica set, we're going to use two instances of MySQL that are running locally. The first is running on port 3330. The second is running on port 3340. On what will be our primary node, we run a query to show the data. We do select star from MySQL Shorts.user. As we can see, there are 1,000 users in this table. To create a replica set using MySQL Shell, we call dba.createReplicaSet and pass a string for the name of the replica set. In this example, our replica set name is rs-demo. We're also setting the replica set to a variable named rs, so it'll be easier to reference this later on. After the replica set has been created, we'll get a message telling us it's been created. We can check the status of a replica set by calling rs.status. Remember, rs is the variable name that contains the instance of our replica set. The results of this command show that the status of the replica set is available, and the topology only shows our primary node. To add a secondary node, we use the addInstance method of our replica set object. Here, we're passing in the connection string to our secondary node. When setting up a replica set in production, do not use the root user. I'm only using it here because I'm using MySQL Shell sandboxes to do this demo. During the setup, I'm going to choose clone as the recovery method for the secondary node. During the setup of the secondary node, we'll see the progress of the initial replication. When everything's done, we'll get a message saying that it was added to the replica set and is now replicating from the primary. If we check the status of the replica set one more time, we can now see the topology includes our secondary node. Let's test to make sure the replication is working as we expect. We're going to run an insert query into the user table. We're using the values Skippy, Dinglehopper, and skip@dingle.com for the first name, last name, and email, respectively. Now we switch to a tab that's connected to our secondary node. You can tell because it shows port 3340. And we run the query, select star from MySQL_shorts.user. The query result shows the row we just inserted into the primary node. We now know that the replication is working as expected. You may be wondering, what happens if we try to insert a row into the secondary node, which is actually read-only? Well, if we try to run an insert query, we get the following error message. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.